Morning, friends. How are you? Welcome back for another day of Circle Time with Miss Alicia. I'm so excited. We're almost through the whole entire week. Yesterday was Wednesday, which was halfway through the week. Today is now Thursday, and it's also the last week. The last day in April. What? Can you believe that? Tomorrow is a new month. I really can't believe that. But I'm proud of all of you for working so hard at home. We have today to work through. We're going to figure out what the date is for today, and then we can figure out what the month will be tomorrow. Ay, ay, ay. So today is the last day, which is the highest number we're going to go to. Then tomorrow we start all the way back at 1. I just can't. It's so crazy. Oh, mind blowing, really. But working hard. A month, a whole month, even a little bit more than a month that you have worked so hard and you've learned so much from the comfort of your own home. This is pretty nice. Well, we're going to figure out what today's date is. Then I'm going to show you a really cool project that we're going to do today using toilet paper rolls. We're going to continue doing our flowers. I wanted to do flower projects all this week, except for the rock project that we did on Tuesday, but I want to continue with flowers, all right, because I'm loving all these blooming flowers that I see on my walks, and it's really making me happy. So the flower projects, I hope, are making you happy as well. So can you guys help me count to figure out what today's date is? Okay, thank you. And again, this is the largest counting we're going to do because tomorrow we're going to simply start back at 1. It's going to be a little easier. Wow. Can you guys count with me all the way up to this new number? Let's try it. We need to work together. All right. Here we go. We're going to start at 1. Take a deep breath. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What comes after 29? Do you know? If you know, can you shout it so I could hear you? I can't hear you. A little louder. What comes after 29? 30. Wow. 30. That is a high number. Whew. 30 starts with a 3 and a 0. Can everybody see the number 30? I can't believe it. This is insane. Then we've made it all the way through another month. And that is the month of April. Look at that. We have a beautiful pattern. We have some diagonal colors as well, diagonal stripes. It's just beautiful. And we're seeing the beauty outside in the world as well with all these flowers. Ay, ay, ay. Take it in. The month of April. Wow. We are going to say goodbye to April today and hello to a new month for tomorrow. Makes me a little sad. I can't believe this whole month of April I haven't seen any of you. Hopefully in May or June. And if not, that's okay. We're still going to have beautiful weather and we're going to enjoy our families, which is all that matters. All right. We know that today is the 30th. Can everyone say 30th? We know that it is April. We know the year. The only thing we don't know is the day of the week. We put the card in here. We draw a straight line up, and that tells us what the day of the week is. Which day of the week starts with TH? Yes, you're right. Thursday. Can everyone at home say Thursday? Very good. Today is Thursday. Wow. And if you notice, I put it up in our sentences already just because I want a little bit more time for my project. All right. We know the day of the week. We know the month. We know the number. And we know the year. So let's say the date together for the last time in April. Ready? Today's date is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. That's the last time we're going to say April in our month. I'm kind of sad. Let's do it one more time. Today's date is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Before we say goodbye to April, let's spell April one last time together. Are you ready? A P R I L. April, you've been a good month. What I want us to do is, before we finish to figure out what tomorrow will be, because tomorrow's going to be a new month, I'm going to show you the project, but I just had an idea. I want us to draw or write, whatever you could do. I want us to draw what our favorite memory in April was. I think my favorite April memory was sitting in the backyard with my family on April 25th for my mom's birthday. It was just nice weather. We enjoyed a nice fruit basket. It was really, really nice. What was your favorite memory of April? I want you to draw it, and I want your parents to send it to me. All right? Before we finish, I want to finish the sentences and read them, and I'll show you what our project is. All right, so I already put up what yesterday was. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, which means tomorrow will be... What comes after Thursday? Let's say the days of the week to help us remember. Let's start at Sunday. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Yes, good job. Friday. And we are going to put up Friday. Oh, I'm a little sad that April's over. Well, to cheer us up, I have a really, really cool project that I'm going to do with you guys. So the first thing I have, again, we're going to make flowers. I have a toilet paper roll. Now, I know everybody at home has toilet paper rolls. You could also do this with a paper towel roll. So when your toilet paper is done, you could take it and you could use it for projects. Now here, I cut the ends just a little bit. So when I push down, right? When I push down, it goes on the paper like this, and it's like my stamp. It'll make the petals of a flower. On the other side, I'm going to make another type of petal. It's like a round petal like that. All right? I have my two types of paint here. I'm going to do pink and purple. And I did it on, oh, my paper fell. And I did it on a strip of paper. All right, so I'm going to do just one as an example. And then I'll show you what my finished product looks like. And then I want to see all of your finished products. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it in the purple. Just a little bit to get all the tips. Here, anyone that wants to see at home, look. So I just dip it a little bit. So the tips are like that. If you want to do a little bit more, if you want to get a little bit more into it, you could always try maybe a paintbrush as well. But we can just dip it like this. Okay? And then I'm going to take my paper, just like this. And I want to leave space for the stem, don't forget. So I'm just going to put it on like this and press it down. Okay? Now, don't forget, that's not the finished product because after the paint dries, we got to do the center. All right, now let's try this side. See what this side gets us. So I have a lot of paint on my plate, but that's okay. So I'm going to take this side. I'm going to do just a little bit of dab like this. See how there's paint on there? I'm going to put it over here like so. Now this looks like just one petal. So we're going to do this a few times. 1, ooh, 2, we're going to go over here, 3. Wow, look, see how my flower's forming? I need a little bit more paint. 4. Let's try to squeeze one more in there. Look at that, how nice. All right, so now, again, with this one, you might want to paint the center so you get more of a flower petal. With this side is super great, right? You know that you could make stamps out of a lot of your household items. You could do it from paper towel holders, like I said. You could do it with forks. Have you ever tried to do a stamp with a fork? No? Well, let's try it, why don't we? I will be right back. I'm going to go with a fork. So again, count to 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm back. Woo! Okay, so I got a fork here, and I'm going to put it in the purple. Maybe this will work a little bit better with the fork. So I'm going to dip it just so the back of the fork is like that, right? See how it's covered? And I'm going to try to make my feathers. I mean my petals. Ooh, it's kind of a pretty flower. Interesting, right? Wow, this is cool. You know what this looks like? This looks like one of those wishing flowers. Look, you do it a few times. All right, now again, this isn't the full project. When you're done, you have to add some more detail. So this is just the outline of my flowers. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add some detail, and then I'll show you what the finished product look like. For now, I wanna see all of your projects at home as well. You might get a little messy, but that's okay. You just wash your hands right up. All right, you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing all of your beautiful projects and flowers. Bye.